What's up guys, in today's video I will show you how Garage Floor Epoxy DIY project turned out. So let's get going. First of all, let's see original garage concrete floor condition. As you can see, concrete surface is rough and multi-layers of dust are piled up near walls, where we normally keep storage racks and other garage stuff. Also, I can see few cracks in this concrete surface that I will need to fill before I apply epoxy on this surface. After removing all stuff from garage, I started cleaning concrete floor with a pressure washer. I thoroughly cleaned floor from every square feet area of the garage. You can get 1-day rental pressure washer from your local hardware shop if you need one. Pay attention to those car tire marks on bare concrete floor during wash. Also scrub the corners with a brush if needed. For this project, I used Rustoleum rock-solid metallic epoxy kit. So here we have egg mix. Okay, so do not mix this one with the paint. What we want to do is we have 2 gallons of water here, and we just have to mix this egg with this 2 gallons of water, and we're going to pour this one on the concrete floor and scrub it. Then I applied the egg mix solution I prepared earlier on a concrete surface. After that, started scrubbing the concrete surface with brush. This egg mix solution opens up concrete surface and that makes easy for epoxy to stick to the surface. It's important to scrub every corner thoroughly. While doing this job, make sure you use safety gears like face mask, gloves, proper shoes, etc. So now this is the day 2 of the garage floor metallic epoxy. As you can see that yesterday we cleaned the whole garage and we have filled out all the gaps, the cracks in between, and yeah, so pretty much that part is done. Today we are going to start our epoxy paint now. So I think in a box they have given few items. As you can see that there is a one which is the whole epoxy liquid, part A and part B, which you have to shake it and then mix it as they are showing on their website. And also they have also given one brush and one tint, which is the color what we want, and then obviously instruction manual. Now the epoxy mix is ready. Start applying this epoxy from one corner of the garage and gradually move outwards. Ideally, you should do 2 to 3 feet wide patch at a time. Use circular motion while applying epoxy. That would give proper effect once epoxy is dried. With double car garage I have, which is roughly 430 square feet in size, I had to get 4 epoxy kit. I started working on one kit at a time, which is about 110 square feet coverage. Once first kit is done, prepare the next epoxy kit. Make sure you do not make all epoxy kit in one go. Epoxy would dry out quickly before you get a chance to apply on the floor. Initially, I didn't capture very first round of pouring epoxy on a concrete surface. As you can see here, I am pouring epoxy on a floor first and then spreading it with a brush for an about 2 to 3 feet wide patch. Finally, entire garage floor is completed. Overall finishing of epoxy came out very good. I'm happy with the results. However, there are few points I like to mention. First point, in small area of the floor, air bubbles started popping up. This phenomenon called outgassing. This happens due to air moisture vapor escaping concrete slab. Second point, Because this was my first epoxy project, it took some time for me to apply proper layer of the epoxy on the floor. In some areas, thickness of the epoxy is more than other areas. These are the two issues I came across during this project. Below in the video description, I will add list of items, materials, and some helpful information I used for this project. Also, feel free to add your comments, questions below. Thanks for watching this video.